You gonna vacuum? Yeah. Press the button and lean it back. Not. Hold on, let Mama help you lean it back. Alright, vacuum. Go vacuum by the couch. Here. Go vacuum by the couch. Vacuum over there by the couch. Turn it. That's my big girl. That's a big girl. That's a big girl. Are you done? Stand it up. Turn it off. What'd you do?
I think Jaguar wants to play.
Did you vacuum for Mama? Big hugs. Thank you. You gonna sit down and watch Saba now? No more vacuuming. Turn it off. Mama's gonna wrap it up. Hey, turn it off. There you go. Whose vacuum is that?
I think the Jaguar wants to stay dry like me.
Oh, Zabu's on.
Find out.